PPE, what is PPE? PPE stands for personal protection equipment, and if you've seen my other videos talking about it, they are very important to protect your most important tool, which is all of this, your body. Your body is your most important tool, especially as a service provider, whether you're a nurse or a professional cleaner or a roofer or you do HVAC, whatever it is, your body is the most important tool that you use, so you need to keep it protected. As a professional cleaner, gloves are a must-have. Link down below so you can grab yourself a box of these gloves. But gloves are very important so that you're not exposing your skin to any chemicals. Whether they're toxic or eco-friendly, it can still irritate your skin. It can dry out your skin, or if you have a cut, it's gonna sting. So having gloves is very important. Here's a tip on how to remove gloves properly. I made a video about this back in 2020 when I was cleaning during the pandemic, and it was very, very stressful to be doing. And learning how to properly take off gloves so that my skin is not touching any germs, viruses, or bacteria that's on the glove was very important. So I'm going to do the video again to show you how to remove gloves the correct way. So now these are the dirty gloves that you've just used to clean with, or whatever you just used the gloves for. Touching raw chicken, whatever. They're dirty now, right? And you don't want your clean fingers to touch them. This is what I would recommend. Use your fingers to grab this part of the glove, the outside part. You want to do it from like the closest part of your wrist as you can without touching your skin. Now, when you pull it off, bring your fingers in and make the inside of the glove face out. So now you've just turned the glove inside out. You could touch this part as much as you want because this was the inside part of the glove that was on your skin. So this you could touch. You don't want to touch the outside part of the glove. You're touching the inside, which is fine. So then use this part to grab the other glove. And now you just removed your gloves without touching them with your skin. So those are some tips on how to remove your gloves safely and properly. And use my link down below to grab yourself a box of gloves so that you are using PPE and keeping your most important tool safe. Follow along for more cleaning tips. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Thanks for checking out this video. I really, really, really appreciate it. Just to let you know, I do not get paid for making videos. I don't get paid for my content. I wish I did. I really, really wish I did. I just don't have enough views. So if you love this video, if you found it helpful, if you can please like, comment, share, subscribe, love, do all the things to help boost the algorithm so that my videos can be pushed out, I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to follow this channel, just hit the little buttons there wherever they are. Subscribe, like, follow, love. I genuinely love sharing cleaning tips and tricks. I've had my cleaning business for almost 10 years now, so it's been a while, but I love what I do. And when you love what you do, it's not work. Keep following along, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Check out my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. My Etsy shop, if you need any cleaning documents, spring cleaning checklist, business documents, whether you own a cleaning business or any other small business, I have documents that you can edit for your business needs. So check that out on my Etsy shop, Crunchy Clean by Kathy. Check out my YouTube channel. Check out my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com. All over social media. I love sharing. So please, if you could hit that like, follow, subscribe, share, it would help me out so much. So thanks again. I don't get paid to make these videos, but I do it because I love it and I love to help with cleaning tips. So thanks again, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.